California adventure.
Yes.
Candy. We're going to start off the day with Incredicoaster because Tom didn't feel too good after it last time in the heat. So
But I think if I get it done with nothing in my tummy, hopefully we're okay.
and not too hot first thing in the morning.
We did do it sort of peak time. It's crazy. It has to be done. Bing bang, bing bang. You want a latte, cuddle? He doesn't actually smell like that though, which I think is wrong.
He did a tiny bit, like he smells like something.
Normal
you think it's strawberry
smell, which is still nice.
Yeah. Now we know we met Luca the other day, but Luca and Alberto are out now. Hi guys, how you doing? Oh, thank you, Alberto. Hi Luca, how you doing? How much fishing have you done this morning? All the fishing. Did it before the sun came up, right? Yeah. Made all the spaghetti, reeled in all the fish. Yeah, ready for lunch, right? Can you get a picture?
Yeah, of course.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. I think I got it. Yeah, one more. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Along with Luca and Anger, you can also meet obviously the Toy Story characters. Jessie and Woody are always out. They're around by Mr. Potato Head normally, whereas Luca is opposite the little Pixar Pier stage. Oh, thank you.
Hi, Mr. Incredible. How are you? Yes. Big fans.
We put our tops on to meet Mr. Incredible.
We get photos,
Yeah. What would our powers be though? What do you think? You would be Speedy.
Maybe, yeah.
I think I'd be Elastigirl. Oh, I'll be able to hear. Yeah, that'd be really cool. Right, let's get pictures.
Just a potato head here. For your safety, please remain seated. And be sure to keep an eye out for your new spot.
This one's gonna be close.
Oh, wait a minute, everyone.
Are we ready? Oh, Thomas! Thomas won.
Paid for it though.
Who got best in vehicle? Oh, neither of us. Well done, Thomas. You finally clawed it back.
For one game.
For one game. So that might be the start of something.
I don't know.
So we've just been on Toy Story Mania. Thomas won.
We're 1-1 now, so I need to redeem myself on Buzz and then Spider-Man.
Yeah, and otherwise I'm the reigning champion. But for now, we're going to go on Jesse's Critter Carousel.
Strike, crouch, block. You can do these 4 simple movements. Let's go. Jump, strike, crouch, block. Recruits, did you do your yoga stretches this morning?
So we've come to try and find some food. I was desperate for breakfast, so I'm going to go get a Mickey waffle from elsewhere. But Tom has got the kids' mini bite-sized grilled cheese, and it comes with an orange and some yogurt and the tiny little ball things on it.
Yeah. And what juice have we got?
Minute Maid fruit punch.
Wow, what a complete and utter surprise to find you all here. It's almost like this was carefully scheduled in the Disney Parks app or something. Wait a minute. Are you all here for story time? Yeah, you guys like stories? It's Beauty Pool. And the Wolver Beast. Ooh. Oh, this guy's scared. I saw you flinch, sir, you did. Upon that time, once, I was walking along, captivated by one of my favorite books, the autobiography of Ryan Rodney Reynolds. When all of a sudden, I heard the galloping of my father's horse, Philippe. Come on, children, gallop with me now. Wow, Philippe was clearly under the weather today. That's all right. And Philippe is a real horse, so he just whinnied. I'm not fully brushed up on my whinny, so I just leapt onto his back and guided him to take me to Papa, quickly. And off we galloped. Oh, we galloped. Oh, thank you, one person, for remembering that cue. Very nice. We galloped deep into that forest. Oh, we were so deep in that forest. It grew very dark, very scary, very dangerous. Kind of like being at an In-N-Out drive-thru at 1 a.m. Hideous. Did I mention hairy? Whoa! Wolvie, I can't believe you made it. Quickly, let's take an awesome, cute picture together for the gram.
Get one picture. Good, got it quick. Come on, let's go. We don't got time.
Wait, Wolvie, please don't leave. You have to help me finish the story. We were just getting to the good part. Look, if you don't want to do it for me, if you don't want to do it for the gram, at the very least, Wolvie, do it for the children. Right? That's right. Do you hear all of those cheering children?
I hear him. I hear him. Fine. I'm not doing this for you, though. I'm doing this for you.
Wow, you're my hero. Thank you. Oh, this is so exciting. I'm so glad we get to tag team this together. All right.
Get off! Anyway, Pool Boy over here makes a mess of things as usual. Then it's up to Wolverine to save the day. Blah, blah, blah. I slice up some bad guys while Beauty Queen over here stands in the corner making a bunch of stupid jokes with outdated cultural references.
How dare you! My cultural references are timeless and everlasting, like Splash Mountain. Oh, what happened to Splash Mountain? Oh, well, that's upsetting me here, right now. That's all right, I love frogs. Anyway, not even a few bars of Tale as old as time.
Hey, I said no musical theater.
Really? I feel like if you wanted to be a showman, you could be the greatest. I think they agree.
I don't know what that means.
All right, well, I clearly touched a nerve, children. Well, anyway, I should probably be off too, but I just want to be clear for the record. They all lived happily ever after. Thank you for saying that with me. Happily ever after until the direct-to-video release, that is. I mean, has anyone even seen Once Upon a Deadpool? I have a Christmas special. Oh, that one guy did. That's very nice. Thank you for coming to see my show. All
in Avengers Campus. We're going to go and do web slingers.
If you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's all.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, you shout. Could you just call something else? Ask them to do it.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Weird. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man first of all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. Also, the giant
Wait, the green bots explode. If we intentionally hit those green bots, maybe we'll trigger a chain.
I was yellow.
That should stop them.
I've got an idea.
We did it! I can't believe it! Where did I come from? Very good. And we have seen Loki. How cool is it that Loki's here? Hi Loki, can he get a picture with you?
I'm on a mission right now.
Ah, I see.
I don't know where he is. Do you see him? I don't know, I think you're up to some mischief, I'm not too sure.
Oh, you think I am?
Yes. A little bit of both. Yeah.
I will fight. We'll go popper for popper.
Amazing, thank you. Oh, thank you so much.
That was cool.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Said he was on a mission.
He was on a mission to find Thor.
Find Thor.
Said if I see him to let him know. I said, I don't know, because he's up to some mischief.
Yeah, and he was like, me? Mischief? When we came to Oogie Boogie, in the little bit of time before Oogie Boogie started when we were here, we saw the TVA version of Loki.
We did see TVA Loki.
When he was in his TVA uniform, so that was cool as well, a bit more of an up-to-date Loki.
Yeah.
It's starting to get to the heat of the day, so we're going to go head in on Soarin' now, 25-minute wait, but at least it's in the cool.
Do I add you?
When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Okay, let's review. That is seat belt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times.
One's gonna follow three, one's gonna follow
Yeah.
Have
a nice flight.
Premium bar.
We got our first Mickey premium bar and ice cream sandwich of the trip. Dings!
Right.
Good as you remember. They've been under dry ice, so they're rock solid apparently. They're good.
Yeah.
Good.
Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. My name is Cecilia. I'll be your conductor on this line. My fabulous, amazing motorist is Josh. He's the one driving the Red Car Trolley. This is a great place to escape the heat. But if you're just trying to escape your family, this is also a great place to hang out. I totally recommend it.
So while it's super hot, we've now waited a couple of lines in the sun. So we've come for a sit down on the inside with some aircon, and we're going to do some drawing again. Wally. Yeah, we've sat down to do the Wally drawing, then we might try and do the Vampire Mickey afterwards as well, and then after that it will be a bit cooler outside, or it'll start to get cooler outside. And then we want to try and do Cars Land in the dark tonight.
Yeah.
Try and get the lights turning on and do the 2 rides we've not done yet.
Yeah.
Alright, so this person was very repetitive. Well, how's everybody's day going so far? Good? Stop, very chill. Yeah, well, probably not chill, but that's okay. Yeah, it's chill here. Yeah, is everyone happy to have the AC? Yeah. We're going to start to darken in that space, everything except for the space between the eyes. And these eyes might look familiar, and at this point, I'm gonna start to go through, I'm gonna darken these in, involving different tech. So when it came to Wall-E, again, he is considered older technology, and something that you see in a lot of older tech is that they typically tell you exactly what it is on the outside of it. See? 1, 2, 3, Wall-E! These look so cute! Great job with the eyes and looking at it. Fantastic when they fill the page.
Very good.
Line work, this is so cute. Great job. The eyes are adorable. This one looks so sad.
Back against the benches with the pencils in the springs. That really helps us out as we
side. I'm just going to pull a curve down and out. So it's going to look like Mickey has been to the gym a few too many times. But once we add in this big hill going back to the middle, now he's got that cowl. He's no longer Mickey Swole Mouse. Hey, did you have fun drawing Mickey Mouse? There we go.
Yours has got a big nose.
Well, I would love to see
He's got his smile lines the wrong way round. Back out into the excitement. So Mission Breakout after 3 o'clock changes into Monsters After Dark. So we're going to go and do that while it's 35 minutes.
Attention Terrans, may I present to you ladies and gentlemen, we kindly request our VIP guests to bear with us whilst we restore power back to the session. We are currently experiencing some technical difficulties. To correct the situation, if you do see this creature, please don't make any sudden clues.
And the doors open towards you.
Where is he? Mine's gotta be somewhere, pal. Is that? Where are you? Gotta find you before you get eaten. Ha ha! Gotcha! Oh! What are you guys still doing here? Tour's over! The cages are open and the creatures are loose! You gotta get out of here! Wait! Don't get out of here! I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate.
Walking through Avengers campus after going on Monsters After Dark, and they've got the new Black Panther out, the Lady Black Panther, which is fun. We are now going to head round to Cars Run, try and get on Radiator Racers. before the sunset so we can then catch the lights turning on. But if we get off and the lights are on, then that's fine.
They could already be on.
They could already be on, but they're meant to be before sunset, depending on what time sunset is for you when you're here. So we really thought that Mater was Oogie Boogie exclusive in his vampire outfit, but he's not. He's out all the time, so if you're coming you can catch him.
Treat and treat! I figured I'd double my chances. Oh, it's a beautiful day. It's rainy and it's spring.
Oh, Tom, look. A113.
A113.
Sunset.
I think a lot of the crowd has now been caught up in Monsters After Dark.
Yeah, we got in at 35 and now it's 70.
Yeah.
We waited quite a while though because it looked like it broke down, didn't it?
It broke down when we were in there, and then I think it said temporarily closed, then reopened at 0, so everyone's gone, oh, that's 0.
Yeah.
And then they're like, oh no.
And we're right here.
That's a nice breeze.
We have one of those now because we won that race. I wish they sold them, it would be so good.
I can't remember if we won before or not.
I can't remember, but if they won them, I'd definitely buy it. If they sold them, I'd definitely buy one.
Yeah, what they need to do is do ice cream challenge.
Yeah, I feel like they might have used to.
Did they used to? You
Maybe.
Sure? Maybe they did.
Yeah, rings a bell of some kind.
All I can think of is the Wreck-It Ralph one on the...
Yeah.
Is it on the cruises?
I can't remember. Yeah, on the cruise, yeah.
At least the dream one.
Yeah. The Cars one shirt is pretty cool. This is a kids one, but is this the one that you can't get bigger? Yeah, this one you can't get bigger. But this one does.
Yeah. So this one, you got a kids one where it's got lightning there and then Mater.
That is a cool t-shirt.
Well,
What's the black one?
I've seen people wear this as well.
Oh, that one is cool.
This is also cool.
Oh yeah.
They're all cool.
That's what you'd wear if you worked there. This one's,
look at that one.
This one's got Carsland on the sleeve.
And this one's just...
Oh yeah, that's Carsland too. So everything that's in this land.
Yeah, anything on the back? Nothing
No.
on the back.
I know you got your standard Dynaco t-shirt as well. I've not seen this mug anywhere, but just says Route 66, nothing to do with Carsland. We are now just waiting for all of the lights to turn on in Carsland because it happens at sunset, so it's around now. Mater's coming through now.
Excuse me, get to one side, please. Towing genius coming through.
Halloween in my town, and that means one thing. Welcome to Radiator Springs. I put a spell on you. Stop the things you do.
I got that.
So the lights happened for us at 7:10. Everybody was stood waiting for them, and everybody was like, oh, every time like the music changed and it was another song rather than the music for the lights. Normally it's the Life Can Be Sweet song that plays in the film, but we had the different one because it's Halloween, so that's fun. But now we are waiting for Flo's Cafe. The line was so long, so I just did a mobile order and now we're waiting for it to be ready. Now we both want to try these meals, so we're going to half and half. But this is the beef and mushroom burger. It's not got a mushroom in it, so I don't know if that's mushrooms or if that, I think that's onions. So I think the burger itself is beef and mushroom. And look at those chips, crazy. And then this is the Flo's meal or something like that, but it's chicken, mashed potato and broccoli.
Yummy.
Yummy. So we're going to share these and then go watch World of Colour.
Hopefully we get a good spot, but this took a while to cook, but if not, never mind, we'll still see it from afar.
But this time we do have a virtual queue for the viewing spot in the middle, so we're going to go and try and get a good spot more central this time.
Yeah.
So this is the viewing spot we've got. We're Golden Zephyr's side and right on the front walkway. I think it probably would be better if we were maybe this walkway here, but we're a bit late for that one.
Yeah, everyone was up against the gates already,
yeah,
so we're in the splash zone.
I think most of it down here is the splash zone, but this is the yellow and the other side is the blue. But I think it'll be okay. We saw it from the bridge the other day, so now we'll just get a completely different angle.
Taste
it's really wet.
Your class was the only reason I went to school at all.
R2-D2, where are you? Oh my, I'd forgotten how much I hate space travel.
Looks like the winds are changing. Going back means I'll have to face my past.
Ow! Jeez, what was that for? It doesn't matter. It's in the past. But the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it. So what are you going to do? I'm going back. Get out of here!
The bits like this are my favorite.
On your left.
Assemble.
But sometimes you just have to take the first step.
No matter who you are or where you're from, you have the power to make a difference. It just takes one.
Guys, was so good.
It was really
That's
good.
so good. Like from down here, being so close to it, I think was what made it. Like being so close to all of the water, like shooting up in front of you.
Yeah.
Like it had more of the wow factor. It was so good. Like I'd already seen it, but it was completely different. Like completely different down here. Like I think even if you were the row behind us or a little bit to the back of that, it still would have been just as good. Just being closer to it just made it. Like it just made it a whole completely new show and experience. Like
I don't think it's that drastic. Like it was still really good from afar.
It was good from afar, but having it like be directly in front of you and like shooting up and like almost like you're not expecting it was so much better than just like watching it. It was almost like we were within it. But we did get wet.
We did get wet.
Not like wet, but like
No.
you know when it's like we call it wet rain, when it's like really, really fine rain. That you're just like when you walk through it, you're like, ugh.
Yeah, but only for like a second.
Yeah,
like,
it's
you
like
don't get drenched.
No, you don't get
Like,
drenched.
I'm dry already.
Yeah, but it's like multiple sets of like 5 seconds.
It's like walking through a slightly stronger mister that they put on the umbrellas and stuff.
I guess so, but yeah, you do like you go like, ugh, like every now and
It
again.
does scare you with some water coming
I
right
know
at
it
you.
comes
You're
right
like,
at you.
We'll come back to Cars Land. The fireworks are going off. We can hear it from the other part.
But there's 2 rides we've not done.
And that is Tomatoes Jamboree and the Luigi one.
Sleeping. Ready, here we go. And last up, here we go, Luigi's Honkin' Halloween. They feel like actual tires?
Yeah.
Halloween it up. She reminds me of the very first Honkin' Halloween. Honkin' Halloween. Honkin'
Ready? Right, so that is it. We are heading out now. We've had a little wander around and said goodbye to California Adventure at night. We potentially will be coming back here Park Hop tomorrow because we do have Park Hopper tickets, which we haven't utilised yet.
Yeah.
So we might be coming back here tomorrow to just do the last few things that we haven't done and just see if there's anything in the shops that we want.
Yeah.
But for now, we have said bye because we won't be seeing you at night again.
Bye for now.
This trip has gone very quickly, so
yeah.
And with that, it is the end of the night and the end of the vlog. We hope you've all enjoyed watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, bye guys.